This talker box, it's over 9,000. Intro. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope your 2018 works out for every last one of you. For those who came across this video, how you doing? Thanks for watching. Make sure at the end of this video or in the middle, hit like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can be part of the notification squad. And for my notification squad, what it do, y'all? And of course, I'm bringing y'all my first unboxing of the year, which is the Target Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, earlier this month, they came out with 2 boxes. I ended up getting them both, but the next one I'm going to show you in another video. This one happens to be the January 2018 box. And once again, shout out to my subscription addiction. If you want notifications on Target boxes, make sure you hit the link down below and you'll definitely get the hookup. They're $7, free shipping, can't beat it. I'm opening it right in front of you guys because you know I don't do the whole open and research and then, no, we don't do that here. So, as you can see, I'm opening it in front of you. Ta-da! And the theme of this one is the Hello Staycay, as you can see right there. And of course, with every other Target box, you have your coupon $3 off for anything that's in this box or any of your products, actually. And it also gives you a list of everything that is in your box. We're blue this month, and the first thing I see here is from OGX, which OGX is a pretty dope brand, is their biotin and collagen shampoo for thick hair, thick and full hair, I should say. And it's an exclusive blend of vitamin B7, biotin, collagen, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. Yay! And it smells pretty good. I'm actually going to pick up some of this as well as the conditioner because I definitely want to do a review on this system. And it's not bad. It's pretty small, you know, go through a few washes. Me, it's probably going to last longer than that because my hair is short now. So next we have here is by Meyers Clean Day. It's their body wash. Now, Meyers, I know I use their detergent and I also use their dish soap. This is the first time I've seen their body wash. And it smells very good. It's very clean. I'll definitely give anybody a heads up if they want to know more about this. And it's a lavender scent, so you can get your smell goods and get your clean right, okay? Next we have from CoverGirl, which is their Melting Pout Gel Liquid Lipstick. Here you go right here. And the color of 110, which is Evangelical. Okay, so it's a pink. And I opened it for you guys. This is how it looks. And when you push it up, this is how it comes out. I'm definitely going to swatch. Y'all know I'm not a pink fan, so forgive my cringiness in advance. It's a cute shade. It's a cute shade. I wouldn't wear it. I just swatched it for you guys. I personally wouldn't wear this color, but I know they have other colors than that one. So it's worth trying. Next we have from Vici Labs, the Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying the Skin Booster. It's a daily booster. Mineralized water and hydrolonic acid. Y'all already know I'm special with some of these words, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. This is what it looks like. It's a small sample, but it's pretty good. I have yet to try anything from this brand. I'm definitely going to try it and see how I like it. If it's good, I'll basically hook y'all up, let y'all know what it's about. If not, you're not going to hear anything from me. Next, we have a little sample size Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. It is so cute and it's tiny. Excuse me. It comes in this right here. And this is, I guess this is just the container because once you peel it open, then it has the cream itself, which is not bad. Next in the box, Target always coming through with the Nexus Humectress Mask. This is definitely a hair mask for normal to dry hair. And you definitely have your hair moisturized. It's the winter time, so you already know hair gets dry with the elements, it gets bitter, it starts breaking off, and that's something that you don't want. Nexus is a pretty good brand. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it's worth a shot if you want this box. Last but not least, and y'all already know I'm and not the brand, but the product itself. But it's by Look Beauty, and it's the Pretty Animals. And of course, it's a print sheet mask enriched with extracts to help nourish and hydrate your skin. So yes, it is a hydrating mask with soybean extract, mushroom extract, and witch hazel water. Y'all already know how I feel about masks. I'm not a big fan of the sheet mask, but it's worth trying out. Once again, I'll definitely let y'all know. This box is empty. So all in all, I like the box. It was definitely worth the $7. I personally am gonna use all of these except for that pink lipstick. Y'all already know I'm not with it. So that's it for this box. I'm going to link, once again, I'm going to link where you can get updates on the Target Beauty box, because it's not a subscription. It's a first come first serve basis when Target released them, and you can't find them in stores. They're only available online. So I'll post a link to that down below. I'm also going to post the same box on Instagram, so follow my Instagram box down below, as well as, you know, all the social medias and good stuff. Once again, Happy New Year to every last one of you. Mwah. Y'all are awesome. Stay awesome. And pray, slay, and repeat. I'm off this, and ciao.
So tell me you got it right now.